Akiaria mbere ya kamiti igie mathako ya bunge ya Senate, Minister wa mathako Dr Hassan Wario naugire ministry yake ni yaheanite shiringi milioni 29 kuri kiama kia NOK no ndiakuruhanitio na uria mbeca icio ciarutagwo.
The issues of kits not being enough, and I asked here and I was assured that everybody was going to be given the kits. I was also surprised. Not only surprised, I was, as any Kenyan, I was crestfallen. But I did not act like any Kenyan. I came back and took action. And that's why we're talking about the disbandment of NOK as it is now.
Iguru rigie meri iria iratuikaga ya komboreirwo atongoria anene, Wario na mwandiki wake munene maheana miario itiganite. Wario akiuga ati yakomboragirwo munini wa mutongoria wa bururi, nake mwandiki Richard Ekai akiuga ati yakomboragirwo president wa kiama kia mathako ma Olympics NOK. Oroho, Wario ni ateteire itua riake ria guteaniria kamiti ya NOK, akiuga watho ni umuhete mahinya tamashio.
And I took into cognizance the issue of the 80% budget, as you talked about, that they are responsible and they cannot hide from the laws of Kenya. And you know, when I disbanded them, some of them went to the press and said, we are not a parastatal. It shows you the level of arrogance. We have acted, we have talked to IOC, let's come up with a roadmap for the way forward. And the problem, yes, we may share part of the blame as a ministry, but the bulk of the problem, historically, go back, it mentions key aspects of being let down by NOK.
Neogerira kuga ati giconoko kiria kionekanire Rio gitigwicokera ringi hari timu ya andu aria mari na mawathe iria mathako mayo marathie na mbere bururi-ini wa Brazil. Na uthuthuria wa aria makuruhanitio na ungumania wa mahenya macio ugithiaga na mbere, murugamiriri wa timu yo Stephen Arap Soy akinyiro igoti-ini. Soy agitetera edire igoti arari murwaru na agakoma thibitari. Ni acokire arekererio na bail ya shiringi 200 na kuringana na mushirithania Helen Onkwari, Soy ni arifataranaga kuribota wabici cia borithi mithenya 2 hari kiumia na aheo mukana ndagakuhiririe ona hanini wabici cia NOK uthuthuria ugithiaga na mbere.